So children, in order to measure the density of a liquid, what do? We can measure the volume with the help of any measuring cylinder or measuring flask, and then we need to measure its mass. So in order to measure the mass, what do? We first measure the mass of the container in which it is we are keeping it. Maybe if we are keeping it in the measuring cylinder, first we measure the mass of the empty measuring cylinder, and then we will pour the liquid into it with the help of a pipette. A pipette is a small uh, tube like structure which is used to transfer liquid from one container to another. Okay, we can simply you just suck it up like a straw, it works. So you suck the liquid and then you have to hold it by closing its other end and then pour it into other. You can simply understand that it is something like a straw, and it is used to transfer liquid from one container to the other one. So we will pour the liquid into that measuring cylinder with the help of pipette. The whatever volume uh, we have to measure, so a definite amount of volume we will pour into it, and then weigh the uh, a container or the measuring cylinder along with the liquid. Now difference of both the measurements, the empty container and the container with the liquid, will give us the mass of the liquid. And now with the help of the formula of density, density is equal to mass upon volume, we can calculate the density of that particular liquid. So this is how you measure the density of any liquid. So another thing that you have to study is specific gravity bottle, but this we will take in another lecture, because uh, again now you have to revise the concept of specific gravity. So by the time you revise, you study, read this chapter up till where I have taught you today, and then we will uh, we will study the other topic in the next lecture. By the time, what you can do, you have to practice the diagram of spring balance, physical balance, Eureka can, and you can practice this one also, figure 2.3. So please practice these diagrams, and we will get back in the next lecture. Bye for now.